Hey, I'm V from VAEXPERIENCE and I have something super exciting to share with you today. It's a brand new video course called Create a Magnetic UX Resume. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't matter what the market conditions are, you're always going to face very stark competition. There's going to be hundreds of people applying for the same position. So your best bet is really to invest in making your resume as magnetic as it can be, because it has to start conversations and clearly show the evidence that you can do the job. And this is exactly why I created this course, to charge your resume up and level it up to that magnetic state. But let me stop talking here and show you exactly what the course contains, because it has 5 exciting modules. And these are filled with multiple hours of video lessons, tools, checklists, and everything you might need on a journey to make your resume better. For example, in module 1, you're gonna get the intro to a course. Again, I told you exactly why it matters, why this is for you. I'm also gonna give you a few tips of how to make the best of this course. In a module 2, we're gonna talk about what resumes are, how do resumes work, who's involved in the process, what do they think about from hiring and recruiter management perspective. We're gonna talk about the invisible touch points of the actual resume and why it's so important to get the resumes right. Think of it as a discovery, as a foundational understanding, which likely is going to reset some of the notions you had before. And in this specific course, I want you to basically avoid those mistakes before it's too late, because sometimes you might be applying for 100 jobs and then only at the end realize, oh crap, this specific formatting or these specific themes just didn't work in your benefit. So you kind of have to then go back and be like, crap, how many opportunities did I kill, not understanding exactly what matters and why. This is exactly what we're going to try to rebuild. Next one, we're gonna talk about what makes certain resumes successful, but we're gonna obviously start with what fails. Then we're gonna follow up with what matters and what works. So it doesn't matter what position you take or how many years from now it is from you watching this, course or video, you opting in and learning from this. I want you to be able to reflect and kind of review your resume always objectively and understand exactly what could fail or trip it, or work as a bedrock basically, where you can build up more and more experience as you go and only extract the bits which matter to the, let's say, the job applications or you creating it. And the next module after that, which is module 4, is really the making of the resume, where I'm gonna ask you to actually create me a resume with no limits. Obviously, you're already gonna have the principles, the tools. Again, I'm gonna share you Notion files and templates and things of that nature, which is gonna highlight exactly what you need to put in a resume. Later on, we can tailor and create multiple resumes. And bada bing, bada boom, the last module obviously is going to be about usage of the resume. So this is where we're going to introduce the art of tailoring. If you've been following me for a while, you know on my YouTube videos, I'm adamant that you must tailor your resumes. Doesn't have to be said, but I'm going to show you how to tailor the resume. There's going to be also bonus resources. So you can expect templates, you can expect checklists. I'm going to give you the support you need to convert your resume or create your resume. And of course, there's a ton more in this course. I cannot give it all in just a few minutes. So make sure to explore, make sure to opt in if this is for you, and I'll see you there.